Ergo takes the top spot for GPU mining profitability. Now it doesn't even matter if you're using a 4GB card, 5600 XT, a 3060 Ti, a 3070, a 3080, or a 3090. Now a 5700 XT is still for Ethereum. How do we mine it? Let's find out. Welcome everyone, Rabid here with Rabid Mining, and we are on track to hit that 1 million subscriber goals. So actually, maybe not. Let's just shoot for 10,000 first. Anyway, hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification, all the good stuff, and let's get on with this video. So I'm going to be putting my 4GB cards here. They're on my 2 CPU mining rigs here onto Ergo because they're still pulling about 23, 24 mega hash on Ethereum each right now. But I do have a video on that, so before you even answer in the comments, go check that out. But yeah, so we're going to be mining Ergo. I think that's how you pronounce it. Ergo, however you want to do it. But first, we got to figure out how we actually mine it, and that's what we're here to show you. Before we do any type of mining, we are going to need a wallet. As you can see here, Ledger Network does integrate the Ergo network, but it is not available yet. I have tried, and I can't install the app yet, so it is coming. So for this tutorial, we will just be using the quick and easy web wallet, and eventually we'll just be transferring it into our ledger later on. Here we are on the ergoplatform.org. That's their website here. So they have 2 wallets in their popular address deal here. So the first one is the Ergo wallet, and this is actually installing and running your complete node. So this is everything. We're not going to be doing this today. We're just running a wallet. So we're going to go with the Yori, I believe this is. Yori, Yoroi. So we're going to be downloading this wallet first. So there we go. So we're going to be using Chrome. I am using Google Chrome myself. We're going to add the extension in. Add to Chrome. Yes, add the extension. So Yori is installing. There we go. No, I do not want to sync anything right now. And we're just going to close that out. Find our Yori extension here. Where's our extensions? Right there. And there we go. Now we're going to select our language. Just pretty much you fill this out as is. Yes, we want our terms and conditions. Continue, blah, blah. We're just going to go with the quick and simple. Do you want to enable Cardano payment URL? Please allow this easily share invoice with friends and business simply by clicking no. I'm not having any Cardano at this time. And confirm. Good to go. Transfer funds, Yori, blah, blah, blah. Connect hardware wallet, restore wallet, create wallet. So now we are just going to create a wallet. We want Ergo, ERGO right here. So we're going to click on that, create wallet. Now I'm going to name it, and we're going to get all my personal info here. So I'm just going to write these down. We're going to skip this part video-wise so that you guys don't steal all my crypto on me. So I'm all set up now. It's just like every other wallet. It gives you your key phrases. Or first off, I guess I entered my wallet name. So I just went on Rabid Mining, put in your password. Then it gave you your seed keys, your secret phrases. I wrote them down. Then you just go through the process of putting them in the order based on what they ask you. And then we come into this screen here. So there we have the Rabid Mining wallet. So now I can receive Ergo as needed. So I don't want to generate any new address. I'm just going to copy this to clipboard, and then I'm going to go into HiveOS and add in our wallet. So here I am in HiveOS. So I'm just going to go to the wallets here. Then we're going to click add wallet. Now we're going to type in our wallet here. So we're just going to go ERG, and there it found. There's Ergo right there. We're going to paste in our wallet like so. Enter our name. So we're just going to go Ergo web wallet. It's just a web wallet right now. We don't need any type of source, so we're just gonna create as like so. We're done. Our wallet is set. So now we got to make a flight sheet. You can do this from scratch. If you just want to make a straight default flight sheet, you could just go right here, type in ERG. So there's Ergo, select the wallet we just made and add it in. The pool, I believe we're going to go with Helium Miners on this one. I'm going to double check that in a minute. Canada East. I'm in the West though. So I'm going to go to USA West because that will probably be closer. Even though I am in Canada, you always want to pick the closest pool just for latency issues. So I'm on the west end of Canada. So I'm going to go into US instead of Canada East. So I'm going to apply that for my miner. They do allow Team Red Miner. Yes. So that's what I'm going to use for AMD cards. Then you type in your flight sheet. So that's how you would set that up. Myself, I am just going to edit a flight sheet I currently have. So first off, because I am using my CPU mining rigs, I'm just gonna stop their flight sheets here. So we're gonna unset. Gonna go back into rig 2 now, and we are going to unset that one. There we go. So now I'm just gonna go into my flight sheets here so I can actually edit them. Overview. I want to get out of my rig, so sorry about that. So now we're going to go to our flight sheets. Now I can edit it. So I got to find the one that had XMR in it as well as Ethereum. So where's our double rig here? That's our triple setup going on. I got to find out where we did have this. Or it might have been right at the top. Here we are. Okay, so it was right here at the top. So I'm just going to edit this flight sheet. And we're going to swap this over to ERG. And we're going to go to web wallet. We're going to configure to Helium Miners again, USA West, apply, and we're going to use Team Red Miner. And this is not for testing anymore. This is going to be for CPU miner plus Ergo 4 GB. So there we go. Update our miner. And we're set. Now, next, all that's left to really do is start mining. So we're going to end here, hit our flight sheet. There we are. To the moon, go. Hit our other rig here, set it up. Get rid of all that gobbledygook. To the moon, go. That's it. Now we have both of those cards, rig 1 and rig 2, all set. So we're just going to have to wait a little while. I'll let it ramp up and we'll see what we're hashing at. Okay, so we're back. I had everything loading a bit, and here we are. We're sitting at 59.69 and 59.66 on these 4 GB cards. Now, some people will be like, whoa, how are you getting so much mega hash? You got to remember, every algorithm is different. Kapal, these will be doing like 14, 15 mega hash or something. Ethereum, these are 4 GB cards, so they're only like 23, 24. But if they were 8 gig versions, they would be doing 30 on Ethereum. But like so, I did have to update my Hive though. As you can see, this still has to be updated on this rig, but everything's running good. But in order to actually mine Ergo on these 4 GB cards, I did have to update my HiveOS. So now we are update 8 here. Our kernel is a little bit older, so that could use some updating with the latest stable version, but we don't need to do any of that right now. This just dropped to 51 by the looks of things, but that's all right. Now, the next step in this, after you have everything running, you are going to want to run to your pool here, throw in your address, and look it up just to make sure the pool is seeing it. It only took about 5 minutes, and the pool was seeing my cards. So rig 1 and rig 2 is detected. Now, I want to set up my payments. So I'm going to go up here and find where is my actual settings. I can't remember where they are here. So you want to find your settings and adjust everything accordingly to see exactly how much you're going to mine. For myself, so it's estimated on what to mine, 111 mega hash with these 2 4 GB cards, and it's estimating some rewards of block reward, last block. We're not even going to look at that. We're going to go back here. So it's telling us 0.2 to 0.3 per day. So ultimately, looks like you might mine 1 every 3 days or so, a little over 3 days. So I want like a weekly payout. So I'm going to go like 1.5 for my payouts and just see how it goes from there. And then we'll just guess as we get closer to the time comes. So I do want to set up actually where I do this. So it's right in front of my face the whole time. You're just going to want to click right here, and then here's your address. Now you're going to want to enter your IP to set your payout. So I said I am going to go about 1.5 or something on my payout. So I'll go 1.4 just because. And in order to set it, you're going to have your IP in here. So you're just going to go up to a website like Google my IP and it will pop up. You put in your IP here, and I'll just do that right quick. I did set it, so we're sitting at 1.4 now for our payment. If you want to get email notification if your rig goes down or whatever, you can put your email here, but I'm not going to do that, so we're all good. So now I'm just going to go back to home, scroll back down, hit the lookup button, and there we are. So we are submitting shares, our rigs are detected, and we are mining Ergo. So right on, we're good to go. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. We have these 2 4 GB cards now live on Ergo, I guess it would be. Most profitable coin for almost every GPU out there currently and for the last week, and it has been creeping up. So please hit that subscribe button, like button, all that good stuff if you haven't yet. And probably in a future video, we'll test our actual power consumption because we did drop about 40 or 50 watts at the wall once I did engage this over Ethereum. So here we are now, we're sitting at about 460 watts, And originally we were around 1510, 1520. So this does use a lot less power than even Ethereum. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Rabid out. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider watching one of these other videos, hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button. We do a live stream every Sunday, and Discord link is in the description as well. Thanks everybody again, and Rabid out.